Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Soul for Harvey. My name is Lisa and I'll be your host. Today we're going to make an olive wood bracelet. You can either make a plain or with a cross. I'm just using 8mm beads and these are called olive wood beads. You can find yours on either eBay or Amazon. I buy these on Amazon mostly because they're a little bit cheaper. Or you can probably find whatever online craft store you could have. You'll need your bracelet maker, some black cord string, you need a bead reamer, and you'll need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. First, you want to cut your string. If you don't want to cut your string, you can leave it on here, but I cut it to save me some time. About an arm's length. And that's what you need. Today's tutorial is about olive wood bead making. They're pretty pricey for 1,000. It's like almost $40 for 1,000 beads on Amazon. Or you can get yours 200, 300 beads. They're about $18, $25 per bag. I found all my supplies on Amazon. I buy every few months. I mean, it's a slow seller, but it sells. But for today's purposes, we're going to be making this bracelet. This is what it looks like. It's stretchy, very strong. Of course, you need the most powerful fabric elastic. I got mine off of Amazon. And it fits these beads really perfectly. My dad and I measured one time the size of the string. It's about maybe around 2 millimeter. Around a millimeter, if you can see that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you find a bead, you have to look for a size hole 2.0 or more greater than a millimeter of your string in order to fit. Because this is an 8mm, it will fit through my string, as you can see. Let's see if I can get it in focus. And there you have it. That's how I'm able to sell my bracelets. And there you go. Alright, let's get started. Set things aside. Now what you want to do is, if you don't know how to use one, just place your bead pattern or any type of pattern you have onto the bracelet maker. This is called bracelet maker. And measure out your beads. If it's just around here, it's 7 inches. If you add 2 more, it's 7.5. I know it's a little bit weird, but it's a difference in size if you add more beads. All my beads are measured on this. This is a good investment if you're new to bracelet making. You can make chains on here or measure it out. Alright, let's see if we can make it snug. Now this is what you want to do. He says these beads are made from Bethlehem, Israel, or somewhere around the Holy Land. It's important to know that these are made out of wood, so they come from the olive wood tree, and somehow they put it into bead form, and we get beautiful jewelry from it. And sometimes you'll need a bead reamer. This is battery operated, AA, or AAA, can't remember. Take a bead, clean it, make it a hole a little bigger if you want. Stick it through. I'll show you a couple of them. Set that aside here. If you don't have tape, or if you want to use something heavy, you can, you see this string? About right here. Take your string, wherever you're going to hide that knot, place your heavy tool on it. Pick up your string and let it fall to the thing. Place that hole. See the hole? And string it through. That's on the bead. That's your first one. You only want to use the beads onto here. Now let's be quiet and work. I'm just getting over a cold, so another week and I should be well again. I had the flu and common cold. Common cold this week, another week, it'll be all gone. I hope you guys are well and healthy out there. Flu's going around. Time to get the flu shot. I got mine in September. Okay, we're approaching the last two. Took 10 minutes to do all this, especially with the Bead Reamer. It takes a long time. I did the last one. Just stick it through that hole. You still gotta clean, because remember, wood is, the chips might be, they're called wood chips, might be stuck on the inside of the bead. So there you go, stick it through the hole. Can you see the hole? There you have it. All we do is just string it. That's all the purpose of jewelry making, is to string the beads onto your favorite pattern or your pattern of your own. Take the beads, line them up. Now what you want to do is cut maybe about 2 inches, but you want to leave a tail to secure your knot. Let's review how to tie a knot. Make an X. Since this string is so powerful, you don't need to do anything special to it. Go under. I usually tie mine at an angle because I find that helps. That's a tip. There's 1, 2. Now what you want to do, to make it really nice and flat, it will stretch. So stretch out your knot. Don't be afraid to break it because it's not going to break. When it gets really nice and flat, all I'm doing is pulling on it. And not to overstretch it. Take your scissors, cut close but not your knot. Otherwise you have to redo the whole project. Cut. Breathtaking, isn't it? Anyway, about right there and cut. This is what you do. Take your side that has the biggest hole, slide it through, take your finger, wrap it around the string, and pull till it's closed. And there you have it. There we go. That's your beautiful bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is on how to make an olive wood bracelet. And these are 8mm beads. You can find those on Amazon.com or eBay. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.